Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome students. This is our lecture number 30th on inverse Laplace transformation of derivatives. Here we try to solve exercise question. Our exercise is 4.2 with the transform of derivatives. I take question number 39 in which y double prime plus y is equal to square root 2 sine square root 2t, and its initial conditions are y of 0 is equal to 10 and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. So the solution is given differential equation is y double prime plus y is equal to square root 2 sine square root 2t. Say this is equation number 1. Our first step is to take Laplace transform on both sides of equation number 1. When we apply the Laplace transform on equation number 1, we get Laplace of y double prime plus Laplace of y is equal to square root 2 Laplace of sine square root 2 t. And you know that the Laplace of y double prime is s square y of s minus s y of 0 minus f y prime of 0. S square capital Y of s minus s y of 0 minus y prime of 0 plus capital Y of s is equal to square root 2 and the Laplace of sine square root 2t is square root 2 over s square plus square root 2 whole square. Use the initial conditions. Our second step is using the initial conditions. When we use the initial conditions in this equation, we get s square y of capital Y of s minus s into 10 minus 0 plus capital Y of s is equal to 2 over square 2 over s square plus 2. Collecting the common terms, we get here s square plus 1 into capital Y of s is equal to 2 over s square plus 2, and we take this 10s towards right side, and we get, when we simplify this, we get 2 plus 10 into s square plus 2 divided by s square plus 2. When we simplify this, then we get s square plus 1 into y capital Y of s is equal to 2 plus 10 s cube plus 20s divided by s square plus 2. Divide this term s square plus 1 towards right. We get capital Y of s is equal to 10 s cube plus 20s plus 2 divided by s square plus 2 into s square plus 1. We say this is equation number 2. Now we solve it by using the partial fraction. 10 s cube plus 20s plus 2 divided by s square plus 2 plus s square plus 1 is equal to as plus b over s square plus 2 plus cs plus d over s square plus 2. When after solving this, then we get the values of capital Y of s is equal to 10s divided by s square plus 1 plus 2 over s square plus 1 minus 2 over s square plus 2. Our last and third step is taking inverse Laplace on both sides. We get inverse Laplace of capital Y of s is equal to 10 inverse Laplace of s over s square plus 1 plus 2 into Laplace inverse of 1 over s square plus 1 minus 2 over square root 2 Laplace inverse of square root 2 over s square plus 2. Here I multiply and divided by square root 2 on both sides in this term. So you see here minus 2 over square root 2. Here I am multiplying and dividing by square root 2 in the third term. So after taking Laplace inverse, we get y of t is equal to 10 cos of t. You know that this is the formula of cos of t, and this is the Laplace inverse of Laplace of sine of t, and this is the Laplace of sine square root 2 t. In this way we get our answer. Now we solve question number 41. I choose those questions which I feel that these are somewhere difficult for you, so I am solving here. 2y prime triple prime plus 3y double prime minus 3y prime minus 2y is equal to e raised to the power minus t. Y of 0 is equal to 0, y prime of 0 is equal to 0, and y double prime of 0 is equal to 1. So we start our solution. Given differential equation is 2y triple prime plus 3y double prime minus 3y prime minus 2y is equal to e raised to the power minus t. Say this is equation number 1. Now taking the Laplace transform on both sides of equation number 1, we get 2 into Laplace y triple prime plus 3 into Laplace 3 Laplace y double prime minus 3 Laplace y prime minus 2 Laplace y is equal to Laplace e raised to the power minus t. And we know that Laplace of y triple prime is equal to 2 into s cube capital Y of s minus s square y of 0 minus s into y prime of 0 minus y double prime of 0 plus 3 into s square y capital Y of s minus s y of 0 minus y prime of 0 minus 3 s into capital Y of s minus y of 0 minus 2 capital Y of s is equal to 1 over s plus 1. Now we use here the initial conditions that are y of 0 is equal to 0, y prime of 0 is equal to 0 and y double prime of 0 is equal to 0. 2 into s cube capital Y of s minus 0 minus 0 minus 1. I substitute in the above equations the values of these initial conditions. Plus 3 into s square capital Y of s minus 0 minus 0 minus 3 into s capital Y of s minus 0 minus 2 capital Y of s is equal to 1 over s plus 1. When I open this, I get 2 s cube Y of s minus 2 plus 3 s square capital Y of s minus 3 s capital Y of s minus 2 capital Y of s is equal to 1 over s plus 1. When I collect the common terms in which Y of s is common, so I get 2s cube plus 3s square minus 3s minus 2 into capital Y of s is equal to 1 over s plus 1, and I take this negative 2 towards right. This become positive 2. After taking LCM of the right side, I get 2s plus 3 divided by s plus 1. Then I divide this term towards right side. We get capital Y of s is equal to 2s plus 3 over s plus 1 into 2s cube plus 3s square minus 3s minus 2. Here we have a cubic polynomial. So you factorize this by using the synthetic division. You use synthetic division to factorize this, and after factorization I get these factors of this cubic polynomial s minus 1 to s plus 1 into s plus 2. So now we are using partial fraction method here. Further we solve it by using partial fraction method. We get 2s plus 3 over s plus 1 s minus 1 2 s plus 1 s plus 2. We get a over s plus 1 plus b over s minus 1 plus c over 2 s plus 1 plus d over s plus 2. And after solving it, we get the values of a, b, c and d in the final shape as capital Y of s is equal to 1 by 2 1 over s plus 1 plus 5 over 18 1 over s minus 1 minus 8 by 9 1 over 2 s plus 1 plus 1 over 9 1 over s plus 2. The last step is taking the inverse Laplace. We get, when we apply the inverse Laplace, we get Laplace inverse capital Y of s is equal to 1 by 2 inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 plus 5 over 18 inverse Laplace of 1 over s minus 1 minus 8 by 9 Laplace inverse of 1 over 2 s plus 1 plus 1 over 9 Laplace inverse of 1 over s plus 2. And you know that this is the formula of exponential function. This is the Laplace of exponential function. We get 1 over 2 e raised to the power minus t, and it is again 5 by 18 e raised to the power t, then 5 by 18, and then here this 2 is extra. We take this 2 as a common term. When we take this 2 as a common, we take it outside, and here it divides 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2. When I take this 2 outside, it cancels with this 8. Remaining is 4. So I am writing here minus 4 over 9, and this becomes e raised to the power minus 1 by 2 t, and the last term, Laplace of the last term is 1 by 9 e raised to the power minus 2 t. In this way we get our final answer. Here are some questions that are coming under this heading, transform of the derivatives of exercise 4.2, and you are able now to solve these questions by using the Laplace inverse transform. How to solve the differential equation by using Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform. In our next lecture we will move towards to exercise in which we solve system of linear differential equations. Here I move cover another topic, that is the differentiation of the transform, how we can handle the differentiation, or we say the multiplication by t. Its statement is, if Laplace of f of t is equal to capital F of s, you know that, then Laplace of t raised to the power n, f of t is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n, nth derivative with respect to s into capital F of s. We have to prove this. By definition of Laplace, capital F of s is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus st f of t dt, applying derivative with respect to x on both sides. D by ds into capital F of s is equal to d by ds from 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st f of t dt. Here you see that there are two variables, one is s and the other is t. So the derivative is with respect to s. So in this way, where two variables are given but derivative is applied with respect to one variable, in this condition we convert the total derivative into the partial derivative. We convert the total derivative into partial derivative, as you learned before this. 0 to infinity partial over partial s into e raised to power minus st f of t dt. When we take the derivative of this e raised to the power minus st, we get e raised to the power minus st, and then derivative of minus st with respect to s, we get minus t. You see here. So I am writing it as minus Laplace of t f of t, or we say that Laplace of t f of t is equal to minus d by ds capital F of s. If you check this, if I am writing here at the place of n, when I am writing here 1 at the place of n, you see here Laplace of t f of t is equal to minus 1 d by ds capital F of s. And you see here, this is the same condition here. So this is our method of induction, mathematical induction. So we say that it is true for n is equal to 1. So we say that it is true for n is equal to 1 by using mathematical induction method. Our second step is, it is true for n is equal to k. We substitute in this expression, at the place of n we write k. So you see here Laplace of t raised to the power k f of t is equal to minus 1 raised to the power k, kth derivative with respect to s, capital F of s, and say this is equation number A. Now we prove that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. In the above equation we substitute at the place of n k plus 1. It is written as Laplace of t raised to the power k plus 1 f of t is equal to minus 1 raised to the power k plus 1 into k plus 1 derivative with respect to s into f of s, capital F of s. We have to prove this result. So I am writing here, differentiate both sides of equation A. With respect to s we get, okay, d by ds into Laplace of t raised to the power k f of t is equal to minus 1 raised to the power k into d by ds into d raised kth derivative into f of s. Here again I am using the same definition here. I am converting this total derivative into a partial derivative, because there are two variables, one is s and one is t, and derivative contain only one variable. So I am writing here 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st t raised to the power k f of t d by dt. Minus 1 bases are same, d by ds and kth derivative bases are same, so powers add. So I'm writing here minus 1 raised to the power k d raised to the power k plus 1 divided by ds raised to the power k plus 1 into capital F of s. Here I'm taking the derivative, take this derivative inside and take the derivative of this exponential function. It becomes e raised to the power minus st minus t, e raised to the power minus st, and the derivative of minus st is minus t raised to the power k f of t dt is equal to minus 1 raised to the power k d raised to the power k plus 1 over ds raised to the power k plus 1 capital F of s minus from 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus st and t raised to the power, basis same powers add, t raised to the power k plus 1 f of t dt is equal to minus 1 raised to the power k and k plus 1 derivative with respect to s capital F of s. Now I take this, I multiply both sides with negative 1. When I multiply this side by negative 1, it becomes positive, and when I multiply this negative, so I am writing here negative 1. So you see here, this negative 1 and this negative 1 both have same basis, but powers are different, so we add their powers. Minus 1 raised to the power k plus 1 d raised to the power k plus 1 divided by ds raised to the power k plus 1 f of capital S. So in this way you see that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Both sides are same. As you see here, what we say here, we have to prove this for n is equal to k plus 1. We have to prove this for n is equal to k plus 1. So you see here, this is our required result. It is true for n is equal to k plus 1 and all positive values of n. In our next week, inshallah ta'ala, I try to solve the questions relating this proof and the Laplace inverse transformation regarding system of linear equation, system of ordinary differential equations. So I hope you understand all this what I have teach you. Inshallah ta'ala we will meet in our next week lectures. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.